Why is it so easy to promise yourself you will start saving next month, but almost impossible to actually do it today? You want to be wealthy. You read the books. You know the math. But when the paycheck clears, your brain sabotages you. Welcome to the Wealth Psychologist. Today, we are diagnosing a glitch in human evolution. It is a mental trap called hyperbolic discounting. And it is the exact reason you keep sacrificing massive future wealth for a quick fix today. Let's break down the 3 traps keeping you stuck and how to bridge the gap. Trap number 1, the survival glitch. Thousands of years ago, humans didn't need a 30-year financial plan. We needed to survive, right now. If you found resources, you consumed them immediately. Your brain was built to crave instant rewards, because tomorrow was never guaranteed. Fast forward to the modern world, and that ancient wiring is a disaster. Your brain still thinks saving is a threat to your immediate survival. Trap number 2, the stranger effect. This is the most shocking discovery in wealth psychology. When neurologists scan the human brain and ask people to think about their future self, the brain lights up in a very specific, isolated way. It looks exactly the same as when you think about a complete stranger. Think about that. Your brain literally does not recognize the older version of you. It views your future self as someone else entirely. Trap number 3, the discount rate. Because your brain views your future self as a stranger, it refuses to sacrifice your comfort today for a person it doesn't know. Buying a luxury item today triggers an explosion of dopamine, but saving 20% of your income for a stranger decades from now, 0 dopamine. Your brain actively discounts the value of future wealth because it feels unreal. So, how do we fix a brain that doesn't care about the future? The fix is a powerful psychological tool called identity bridging. We have to force the brain to recognize the stranger. First, you must visualize. You need to make your future self tangible. Don't just think about being rich. Imagine your exact morning routine 10 years from now. What does your home look like? What time do you wake up? This mental exercise forces the neural pathways to connect today's actions with tomorrow's reality. Second, lock the bridge. Because your brain naturally prefers instant gratification, you cannot rely on willpower. You must pre-commit your resources. Set up your systems so that a percentage of your income is saved automatically before you ever see it. Remove the decision entirely. When you bridge the gap, building wealth stops being a struggle. You are no longer depriving yourself today. You are simply handing a gift to the person you will become tomorrow. If you want to master the psychology of money and rewire your brain for wealth, hit the subscribe button. We will see you in the next session.